Hey Snapchat users, today I'll show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. This lets you gain followers and share content with a wider audience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your mobile phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile. Step 3. At the top of your profile page, look for the Publish Profile option that appears in the latest version of Snapchat. Step 4. Tap on Publish Profile, and you'll see the setup screen for creating your public profile. Step 5. Review the information about public profiles, then tap Continue to proceed with setup. Step 6. Customize your public profile by adding a profile photo, bio, location, and other details that visitors will see. Step 7. Once you've completed your profile setup, tap Create to publish your public profile. You can now edit it anytime from your profile settings. And that's it. Your Snapchat public profile is now live. Remember that you need to be at least 18 years old and have been friends with someone on Snapchat for 24+ hours to create a public profile. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Snapchat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.